Fine, good morning to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your parents, your studies, etc. Okay. So warm greetings to you all students. Welcome to our today's online class. Okay. So this period is computer science for you. So please all of you take your computer textbook in your hands. So and sit in a place and watch and also listen carefully what I am teaching. Okay. So now we are studying about chapter 5. So what's the title of your chapter? This chapter, students? Working with Windows operating system. So before I am going to start about today's portion, so just recall what are things you have studied in the last class. Okay. So last class you have studied about files and folders. So what are things you have studied regarding files and folders? How you need to create a file and how you need to name the file. So inside the how many ways are there? Inside the disk drive icon you can able to create as well as the desktop, isn't it? So and also what are the actions you can able to copy, paste, delete, rename, etc. So today we are going to study about finding files and folders. Okay, so you are going to find your files and folders. So already has stored your files inside the folders, maybe inside the drive or desktop or in any place. Okay, so likewise lot of files you have stored already. Now among that you are going to searching or finding where the file is stored, in which place the file it will be. Okay, so that only today you are going to study. Okay, finding files and folders. So where the your file it will be. Okay, so first thing is how you need to find your files or folders. Okay, so if you need to find your file quickly. Okay, so if you need to find or search your file easily or quickly mean how, what are the steps you need to follow. Okay, first listen carefully. So Windows 7 already have studied. So at the left corner what button will be there? Start button, isn't it? So first listen carefully. This is the which button? Start button. Then above the start button, that is above the taskbar, you have seen one small box will be there. What's the name of that box, students? What the name of that box? Search box, isn't it? So above the start button or above the taskbar one box will be there. What's the name of that one? Search box. Okay. So in the search box you need to type what's the name of your file. Okay. So which file? The lot of files will be there. Among that you are going to open any one particular or specified file. So you need to type the particular specified file name here. Okay, so in the search box or in the search area you need to type your file name there. Okay, or you need to type your folder name there. Okay, so once you have typed your file name or folder name, so it will display regarding what, for example, if you are typing the word file name, so what are the word files are stored in your computer will be displayed there. Okay, for example, listen. So here you are going to open some document, word document. Okay, so what's the name of the document? Means they are giving working with Windows or something they are giving. Okay, so in the search box they if you are giving working with, see, so they are searching the word document. So what are the word documents you have stored in your computer? See, this and all word documents. And also, so what are the things you are, then that means so simply we can say how, what are the files. It may be audio or video or a word document or PDF file, whatever may be. So what are the files containing the word this one working. Okay, so that it will be displayed. See, so you are typing working with, see how many files are there working with Windows, like this what are the files are, that is related names working. Okay, all the files will be displayed there. Okay, so among that which file you need to open, that file you need to click. Okay, one time you need to click it, then if you are clicking that file automatically it will get opened. Understand how you need to open the, or how you need to find, or how you need to search the particular file or folder. First you need to click which button, students? Start button. Then above the start button, that the taskbar one small box will be there. What's the name of that box? Search box. Then in this search box you need to type the name of the particular file or the name of the folder. Okay, so you once you have typed what are the names, that one regarding the names, the same names regarding, for example, if you are typing the word working means, so how many files having the same name or same word working, it will be displayed in the search box or above the search box. Understood? So from that easily you can find your file and you can able to open it. Understood? Okay. So listen. So another one thing. Okay, one more thing. Okay. So one more thing, if you are seeing means already you have studied about this one, working with Windows, isn't it? So next thing is see more results. See above the search box, one more option will be there. So what's option have you seen? See more result. So if you click this one also, same as the search box only. So this see more results also works same as what? Search box. So if you click this see more results also, in that place if you are typing something means, so it will work same as search box and it will display the files like this. Understood? So what are the steps you have studied? Once you have select from the or type the file in the search box and you need to open that one. Next, what's the next thing? Another option is in the see more results you need to type and you need to search it. Understood, students? Okay. This is the first thing. So next you are going to searching your file and folder using the computer icon. Okay. So from the computer icon you are going to search your file or folder. Okay. So for that what are the steps you need to follow? So first you need to open your computer icon. Okay. What's the first step for you? For that first you need to open the computer icon. Okay. Then so once you have opened the computer icon, so particular screen will be displayed. So in that screen, you need to find the search box. So computer icon also what box will be there? Search box is there. So in the search box, you need to type which file you need to search it. Okay. So what's the name of the file? That one you need to search it or type it. Okay. So once you have typed the file and press enter means all the files regarding the same name, it will be displayed there. Okay, so listen carefully. Once you listen, so once you click the which one? Computer icon. Okay, so once you click the computer icon, the screen will open. Okay, once you click the which icon? Computer icon, the screen will open. So in this screen, see, have you seen here? So at the top, one white color portion is there. Have you seen this one? Okay, so in that portion we are calling as a search area. Okay, that portion we are calling as in which one? Search area or search box. Okay, there you need to type the name of the file, whatever may be. So which file you are searching, that file name, so you need to type here. Here also they are typing, say working with Windows. So once you have typed the file and press enter mean, so how many files having the name regarding working, all the files will be displayed here. See here, see why they have given in that yellow color box mean, so all these files having the word working with Windows. Understood? So how many files having the same name or same word, all the files will be displayed there. So among that you need to select anyone. Okay, which file you need to open. See, I am giving the, here they have typed working with Windows. So here 4 documents are having the same name working with Windows. So among that which one you need to open, that file you need to click and open. Understood? Already have studied. So you need to find the files using from where one? Start button, isn't it? So that's in the above the start button in the search box or see more results. What's the next thing? Using the computer icon. So for that you should open the computer icon. So in the computer icon, in the place of search box, you need to type it and search. Understood, students? 2 steps. Okay. Then next thing is open existing files or folders. Okay. What's the next thing? Open existing files or folders. Okay. So what do you mean by existing? Existing is nothing but already having something or already presented something. Okay, so that one you are going to open. For example, your mobile phones also lot of folders will be there. Okay, so among that if you need to open the particular folder, what you will do? You will just double click or click that folder or touch that folder, so the folder will get open. Same way, already lot of files and folders are there. Now you are going to open the file and folders. Okay, so what's the most common way to open the file and folder mean? So double click. Okay, important one more question. So what's the most common way for opening the file and folder? Just you need to double click on that file. You need to choose the file and that from the file you need to double click. Understood? That is the open existing files. So already presented file, how you need to open mean? First you need to select the file and double click it, so that file will get open automatically. Okay, yes. Next one is renaming files and folders. What do you mean by rename? Rename mean already they have stored the file or folder with some name. Now you are going to give some other name. So that is called what? Renaming. Okay, so you are some already the file will have some name. Now you are going to change the name of the file. That is called what? Renaming. Okay, so to rename the file and folder also there are two ways are there. Okay, not only two ways, different number of ways are there. Okay, in a textbook they have given and three methods I think it's so. Okay, so to rename the file and folder lot of ways are there. Okay, so you can use, so yeah, you can rename the file using what are the things which listen. First one is using the file menu. Okay, so what's the first option students using? You can rename the file using file menu. Okay, so next thing using left mouse button or right mouse button. So how many ways are there to rename the file? Two ways. What are they? Using the file menu, one way method. What's the next method? Using left mouse button or right mouse button. Okay, so now you are going to study each methods in detail. So what's the first method means? Using file menu. So two methods I said, what are they? Using file menu, using left mouse button or right mouse button. Okay, first we are going to study about using which menu? File menu. Okay, how you need to rename the file using file menu means these are the steps. Okay, listen carefully. First, what's the thing means? You need to select the file or folder. Okay, you need to select the file. For example, which file you need to or which folder you need to rename. So you need to select the file or folder to rename. Okay, next, what's the next thing means? So go to the file menu. What's the next step? You should go to the file menu. Okay, then from the file menu you need to select which option? Rename option. Understood? So for what's the first thing? First you need to select the which file you need to rename. That file or folder you should select. Then you should go to which menu? File menu. From the file menu you should select which option? Rename option. Okay, so once you have selected the rename option, so there you need to type the new name. Okay, so already one name is there. So now you are going to change with some other name. So which name you need to change? That name you need to type there. Okay, so you should type the new name. After typing the new file name, you should press the enter button. Understood students? What are the steps you need to follow to rename using the file menu? First you need to select the which folder you need to rename. First you need to click on select the file or folder to rename. Next one is you need to click the file menu. Go to the file menu and select which option? Rename option. Then after clicking the rename option, you should type the new name of the file and you need to press the enter button. Understood students? So this is the method used for using file menu. So listen carefully. So first listen. So you need to, what's the first step I said? You need to select the file or folder. Which file or folder you need to rename. So for example, I am going to rename the folder called this one, SERT. So what's the first step? You need to click that one or select that folder. So I am going to click that file or select the file or folder. Okay, next what I said? You need to select which option? From the file menu. You go to which menu? File menu. So from the file menu you need to select which option students? Rename option. Okay, so from the file menu you need to select which option? Rename option. Okay, so once you have clicked the rename option, see this like that folder, once you have clicked the rename option in that box, this like the white box will be displayed. Then in that place you need to type which name you need to rename. For example, already name is there, SERT. Okay, so I am going to change the name SERT to SERT DPI. Okay, what the next name? SERT to DPI. So I have renamed the folder. After renaming that one, you need to press what? Enter button. Understood? Using the file menu. What's the first step students? You should select the folder. Then go to the which menu? File menu. From the file menu you need to select which option? Rename option. So once you have clicked the rename option, this box will appear. So in that box you should type which name you need to rename. So you should type the name and press enter. So that name will be renamed in the file or folder. Understood the first method all of you? Okay. Then second method is using right mouse button. What is the second method students? Using which button? Right mouse button. Okay. So here what are the steps you need to follow me? First you need to select your file or folder. Okay. First you need to select your file or folder. Which file or folder you need to rename, same thing. Then, so next you need to right click. First select the folder. In that folder you need to keep the mouse pointer and you need to right click the particular. In that file you need to click the right mouse button, or that folder you need to click the right mouse button. Okay, so from there you need to choose which option, means rename option. Okay, from there you need to choose which option, rename option. Okay, so once you have select the rename option, automatically that box will be displayed under the file or folder. In that box you need to type the new name. Again you need to press enter, same thing only. Okay, so here no need to go to the file menu and all, just you need to select the file or folder and select the file or folder. In that keep the mouse pointer on the file and you need to right click. So from the right click you need to select which option, rename option. Then once you click the rename option, that white box will appear. In that white box you need to type the new name and press enter, so that with that new name the folder will get changed. Understood students, using right mouse button? Okay, see that one. So here listen carefully. So I am going to change the name of this folder to C++. So what are steps I need to follow students? Just I need to click this folder. Which mouse button I need to click? Right mouse button. Okay, so once you have clicked the right mouse button, yesterday always I said right mouse button, if you have clicked means some menus, that is this dialog box or pop-up. This name is called what? Pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, see, have you seen the rename option? Yes. So you should select rename option. Once you have clicked the rename option, this white color box will be appear. So in that box you should type the name of the file and press enter. Understood the students? Using the second one method, using which one? Right mouse button. Okay, so third one is using left mouse button. Okay, so here also what you need to do means you need to select the file or folder. So which file you need to rename, that file you need to select it. Then from the keyboard you need to press the F2 key. Okay, from the keyboard you need to press which key? F2 key. Once you have pressed the F2 key, so that like a rectangular box will be appeared near to the file or folder. There you need to type the new name, and after typing the new name, press enter. That's all. Okay, so you should press the using the left mouse button, you should select the folder. Then from the keyboard you should press F2. Then once you have press the F2, yes, a rectangular box will be appeared in the folder. In that folder you need to type the new name. Actually, after typing the new name you need to press the enter button. Okay, so today up to this enough I think it's. So what are things you have studied students? So how you need to search the file. What are the things you have studied to search the file? From the search box, that means above the start button, from the search box. Then in the computer icon search box, that also you have studied. Then so to rename the file, what are the steps you have studied? 3. Using file menu, using left mouse button, and using right mouse button. Okay students, so after completion of this session, so please study what are things, these 3 methods you should study very thorough. Rename the file or also opening the existing file and folder. Okay, so study thorough. Take care students. Take care. Thank you.